The 2011 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, front wheel drive, air conditioning, front, power steering, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.